Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for coming back to my channel. I'm Sneakerbox Corey. Today we're going to unbox another shoe. So we got another StockX package in. Super stoked to unbox this shoe. It's another memorable shoe for the collection. We're unboxing today is the Kobe 10 5 a.m. Flight. This shoe is in the blue lagoon colorway. It's really awesome. We're going to open this thing up right now and show you guys the shoe. So right away, the box that it comes in is always in pretty good shape. When you open it up, you're going to notice every time I've ordered from StockX, it comes with this nice bubble packaging. And then also it comes with the StockX sticker, and then it also has the receipt somewhere. So I've taken it out. I don't know where it is at. I have a lot of things going on my desk. So yeah, the fact that they put this in the box is really special. I explained that in my last video. It really helps keep the box in shape because any good shoe collector is going to want a nice box. This is the shoe box. This is how it came. A few little, I mean, I wouldn't even say blemishes, but there are a few little spots on the box. It's not going to be perfect. I mean, at the end of the day, it's a shoe box, but you don't want it like exploded. Some nice details on this box. You have the Mamba emblem here, and then on the front, you have Kobe X in gold. You have the Nike check in gold. You also have the Kobe signature on the other side of the box. Underneath, you'll have a Nike label, and then, like, I guess some of their writing on it. Standard box. Inside the box is a nice blue stamp here. I guess that's their quality control stamp. I don't see any stickers. So this is what StockX is going to send you. I know on a lot of the fake items, they try to pass it off like StockX. Dude, it's not even close. So yeah, if you get like one of those picture joints with the app, like that's not what they're sending. So inside the box, we have the Mamba paper. And then if you open up the paper, I guess they call it a blue lagoon blue. And then let's get into this box. I'm going to pull the shoes out and just go ahead and show you some close-up details.
Everything I wanted, but the grind never gonna stop, cause I could lose it all tomorrow. I don't care about the follows, I could drown in all my sorrow. I just wanna hit the lotto, make a milli for my fan, but I'ma do it how I want it. Hope the music gon' expand, and my album like the Chronic. I'm a real doctor, no fake shit. Gonna change my name when I make it, just to let them know that it's possible. Making music in an honor roll, staying in school is a good thing. There's so many ways you could win. That work ethic is built in, and I've been a boss like a kingpin. Wake up and I pray up, praying that I never fall down, but praying ain't the only thing. Your dedication makes it all count. Stick with it from the get-go. You never want to just let go, cause anything is possible. If you don't try, then you'll never know. I don't want fame, I just want love. I don't want fame, I just want trust. Why they all trying to knock me down? They should all know I'ma stay up, and I wonder what it feels like.
Yeah, that's what I thought. These things are pretty sick, right? So right off the bat, on both tongues, you'll notice that there's a Kobe signature. You have a nice, sturdy upper around the ankles. These are something that you'll definitely be able to play basketball in. This upper prime net is a little scratchy, and then you'll have a nice gloss black Nike check. Inside on the toe box, you have a clear icy blue midsole. So right here on the toe box, you have some kind of material that will help, I assume, protect the shoe. And I like the fact that it goes all the way down on the bottom of the upper prime knit, right above the midsole. And that's pretty neat because, one, if you step in a puddle and it's a little deeper than you thought it was, that's going to help keep water coming on contact or maybe soaking through on the upper prime knit. Up on top, you have this nice, neat Carolina blue style lace. And they really, I mean, this shoe has so much detail. The tongue is really neat. On each shoe inside the tongue, you have this really cool tie-dye color that accents the red insole with the Mamba emblem. On the inside is a little shorter than the outside swoosh. Inside here, you have, like, I guess his jump pad or whatever, but this says Nike Zoom. Now, here's the really cool part of this shoe. One of the reasons why I got it is you do have your this gold X, and you have his signature in chrome. This is an icy blue sole, so you can see through it, but yet they have some really neat stuff going on inside of it. This shoe is very firm. That's me really trying to flex the shoe. It doesn't flex a lot. This is definitely a good shoe if you want a nice stable shoe to play ball in. Like I said, this upper area is super firm, but inside the shoe is very soft. I actually like this one better than the Protro that I unboxed in the last video, the Protro LA Lakers undefeated. That shoe is very hard all the way around. This upper sole has, it's got some give to it. This is also a shoe that you could probably wear on the street, no problem. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this video up. I appreciate your time. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe. Anything helps at this point. Like I said, we're just getting started with the channel. We have been doing some on-foot reviews, kind of showing you the shoe on my foot after I purchase it. I haven't been able to do that because I've been lacking help of somebody being able to film it, but I've had my fiance that's committed to help me now. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do this with this pair, but anyways, until then, I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Buy a bunch of shoes. There's so much stuff coming out this month. I want everybody to go crazy. Drop a comment below if you're getting anything, if there's anything on your radar, if there's anything you might need or have any questions, feel free to message me below. Stay safe. We're out.